Hello my friends. Today I am doing my second video for Beebeecraft, and this is a project share video. So I thought what I would do is in this video we will go ahead and use one of our wonderful gift bags, and we're also going to use one or more of these clips, but one for sure. I think what I'm going to do is use one of these and make a springtime tag flip. Before we get into that, I want to tell you a little bit about the Beebeecraft program. You just need 100 subscribers to participate, and you can go to my description box and click on the link and you can apply. And then once you've been accepted into the program, you will make 3 videos. One will be an unboxing like I did last time. You'll do 2 project shares to showcase what you have created using your products. Well friends, I changed my mind. I was going to make a springtime tag flip, but then I was just thinking about it, and I've been wanting to do a mini book for a really long time. So I thought, you know what? I'm going to take this opportunity and I am going to create a miniature book. So that's what I did. I have this super cute springtime paper pack that I got. I believe it's Echo Park, and I got it at Tuesday morning like last summer. At any rate, so that's what I'm using as far as my papers go. So on these papers, on one side is kind of this really busy patterned side, and you can see it, but on some of them when you flip them over, it's just this nice little pretty pink side. So what I did was I made little pockets out of either the pink side or the busy side. I didn't really worry about the pocket part too much, and I made a couple of pockets. I made a couple of like little tuck spots that run all the way up and down the little pages, and then I created some small tags to go inside of each of the pockets and tuck spots. Once I got all of the pockets made, I went ahead and I created a little template so that I knew exactly where to use my hole punch, because I wanted all the holes in the pages to be even and placed properly. Before I get started on flipping through it for you, I wanted to let you know in my description box in all of my videos there will be a code that you can use, and it's Club 5. CLUB as in boy 5. You will get $5 off of your Beebeecraft order. So, alright, I just didn't want to forget to mention that. Alright, let's get started. So here's our front cover, and I added some stickers here. When we open it up, that's the inside of the front cover, obviously. And I put pockets on each page, and so you can pull the little tag out and jot something down on it if you'd like to. And then this, I felt like it was light enough that you could write on it with a black pen or dark blue, and it would show up, so you could journal on that if you wanted. Here's just a little tiny note. Here's a little tiny piece of paper that you can write on, and I put a little sticker on it. Here's another tag. Here we have a couple of things. First, we have some matching paper. Made a little tiny note out of that, and then we have, if you unfold this, it's a heart, and you can write on the front and the back. And I thought the colors were perfect. And I made a nice little side pocket for that. Here's another one with the notebook paper that I made. Just put a few stickers on it. Here we have two again. So it's a little tiny purple one. And then this one is a heart, and this is with a gingham pattern, which I think is just so cute. I love gingham anyway. And here, this is just a very simple piece that you can write on. And this is one of the gingham hearts that I folded to fit. We have two in this one also. Some matching decorative paper, and then a tag with a little ribbon on it. And then here's the back of the book with a little sticker with the watering can. And that's the back cover. So that's my cute little mini book that I made with this little 3-ring binder here. And as you know, the set comes with, there are 3 of each color. So there's 4 colors: gold, silver, bronze, and black. So you could make a binder you could use all 3 and it would be taller. Yeah, or you could use 2 and it would just be a little bit bigger than this. So it's kind of nice. I really love the mini. I've been wanting to make a little mini book for a long time, so I'm glad that I had an opportunity to do this. It was a lot of fun. And now I want to get on to our next project, which is using this adorable bag. So friends, I'm going to take this cute bag and I'm going to go ahead and add some embellishments to it, and that'll kind of dress it up and make it even more unique than it already is. Alright friends, now this bag is colorful enough you could simply use it as is, but I frequently embellish gift bags when I give them away. I like to add a little something extra special to them. So I think that's what we'll do. We'll grab some flowers here and we will just add a little bit of a 3D effect. And you know, I was gonna use some yellow, but these yellow flowers are really, really big. So maybe I just want to add a few of the pink and the purple like in the corner. I'm gonna go ahead and flatten the bag back out so I can work with it. All right, my friends, so I went ahead and embellished this adorable bag. We have some flowers down here in the corner, kind of giving it a 3D effect. And then I went ahead and put one of my springtime stickers in the center here. Since my daughter loves everything miniature, I'm going to go ahead and put some tissue paper in this bag and give this to her. I hope everybody enjoyed my Beebeecraft projects. And if you would like to participate in the Beebeecraft program, just check out my description box. You will see the links to the program and to their webpage. Thanks for watching. See you soon.